Hello guys and welcome back. It's been a few years, I guess, or quite a while since I posted a video about the updates on my CNC. So I did post some updates in the middle, but I don't remember if it was a video or not. So as you can see, stuff has gotten a bit out of hand. So I moved the machine from this table over to this table, made a new one that fits the machine properly and is secured by bolts through and through all the way. I don't know if you can spot that right there. Oh, and I hope you guys are all having a good Christmas and holidays. So yeah, anyway, uh, my dad and I ended up using my garage vehicle jack with a bunch of stacked wood to raise the machine up, and we slowly put everything down, and it's seated pretty well, I'd say. Took the top off altogether. There's the half the Z-axis sitting there, and excuse the mess. It's been quite a few months, and the electronics are sitting here. I'll be taking it off and somehow putting it onto this table. Another problem I noticed is my rack and pinion. So what ended up happening is that because the stepper is a 14mm shaft, but the rack and pinion pulley, the motor pulley, is a 1/2 inch bore. So I tried to drill it out, and then ended up being the drill, I don't know what kind of drill I ended up getting, but it was too big and it was off center, so I ended up cutting up some pop can and shimming it, and it turns out that didn't work so well, as you can see. Ugh, come on, move. There is some play, it's more pronounced on this one. So if I move, notice the shaft doesn't move, but the pulley does. So somehow this somehow came loose. This gunk in here is all thread lock. Hoped it would work. It stayed liquid somehow, and yes, this did not work as planned. So the next plan is to get new pulleys, and hoping to get it bored out at 14mm. I just sent a message to CNC Router Parts, I'm hoping to get a reply, but again, it is the holiday season, so I'm not in a hurry. In the meantime, I can just clean this up. Apologies for the horrible video. My phone's getting old. But again, others may have older phones. Anywho, yes. Then I can also get this mess on the table. That's my attempt at a 3D printer. Focus. Yes. I have a table at the bottom. I just had to move my heat gun onto the top. This XY table with a Z-axis, and I'm using a Open Builds C-beam linear stage, and I just kind of added a boom and a oh my goodness, it's a V6 hot end. Oh my goodness, I forgot the how could I forget the name? Anywho, it's a V6 extruder, 0.75mm, or designed for a Bowden 0.75mm filament, and I have a my goodness, I forget the extruder name. Trippy something, I can't remember. But it's quite nice, but still calibration with a smoothie board running in the back. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be happening. Oh, and this whole stuff got cleaned up and then became a mess again. So yeah. that needs to be cleaned up. So this is the progress now. I guess I kind of did it to myself. Oh, and I'm gonna have to get another pulley on that too, I suppose, because that one is also an EMA 34 for my Y stage. So I'm gonna have to take that apart too. Right. Okay. Has to be done. So I guess I need 3 pulleys. And I'm just kind of fixing up some squaring stuff. It's quite difficult to get it onto this table. So, I don't know. Wish me luck, I suppose. End of update, I guess. I hope you guys have a good Christmas and good holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas. Okay, I'll just make it generic. Happy holidays. See ya.